Students learn at different paces, and the prevalent system of learning treats everyone the same. It became clear that we could actually do something about learning, and with the advent of AI, by providing a personalized AI tutor that knows the weaknesses and strengths of that student and that can recommend content and areas based on all this information it has. And that gave birth to distinction.
Coming into the university, I was able to ace most of my courses because we're quite familiar to what we have been taught in the secondary school. Moving into the 200 level is actually quite hard for me to navigate through because of my lack of experience, and also due to the bulkiness of the academic works. The workload was too much and the time was limited.
I flip through my books, though sometimes I do not understand what I'm reading, but I just try to flip to just get a glimpse so that I will not be confused in the next class or in case there's an impromptu test. The confidence was not as powerful as of now. The reason why is because I have so many weeks to study, but just 1 week or 1 day for an exam that I've been using several days to study.
I didn't really understand most of the textbooks and the slide given to us. Participating in most brainstorming group didn't really help me because I need to really understand it personally before even brainstorming with others.
As engineering students, most times we do with calculation. So when we come to calculation, that's our area of strength. But now we have theoretical courses. So those type of courses are courses that need a lot of cramming. In little amount of time, memorizing such a thing can actually affect my confidence, which actually did.
It was at this point of my life I got an email from FlexiSAF about distinction. It seemed as if the email came at the right moment of my life. I remembered vividly the first time I interacted with the website. I was being exposed to a lot of past questions, which was my delight because I love solving a lot of past questions before going for an exam.
One thing that distinction helped me to do, I can actually from week 1 have myself in an exam mode, so I know what I should be preparing ahead for or what will even come ahead.
I went through a series of rigorous preparation, like taking some numbers of questions every morning and also timing myself.
For example, the timing, I can actually time myself even before the exam, and I'm able to know that these are the things I want to touch.
After using the distinction website to prepare for most of my exams, it was quite easier for me to answer most of the questions within short period of time. With the help of distinction website, I was able to finish with the first class result and also to finish as one of the best students in my class.
One thing distinction helps is that those courses I now have knowledge about them from week 1. I can begin to practice those theoretical courses and become familiar with them. So in my exam, it's like I'm doing a form of discussion. I'm not just cramming, but I'm able to detail what I know about it. And at the end of the day, it makes me to have that full confidence. What am I achieving? A distinction in my course, because it is distinction.
Since launch, distinction has transformed into a full learning experience for the different sets of users on the platform. For learners, it has provided the opportunity for personalized learning at their pace. Since joining the Mastercard Foundation Edtech Fellowship, we've seen increase in engagement up to 25%. We've seen increase in completion rates of courses by learners up to 15%. We've also seen a reduction in time of onboarding of users by about 30%. On the business side, we've been able to clarify models for institutional adoption and long-term sustainability. Upon joining the Mastercard Foundation Edtech Fellowship, the biggest transformation will be clarity on who we serve, the problem we're solving, and how to scale responsibly across Africa and beyond.